Hi everyone, it's Dr. Rick, founder of Herbal 411, my practice that I run out of Hoffman Estates. I'm a physician, a yoga instructor, an ex-bodybuilder with 2 titles, and a hiking guide. I wanted to thank my patients that have followed me since 2020 at the inception of my practice, and I also wanted to invite other people that have known me from the past, whether it's Central DuPage Hospital, Advocate Medical Group, my time in the urgent care centers, or even my time at North Shore. This being Thanksgiving weekend of 2022, there's always anticipation of the holidays that are coming up. You'll see all the outdoor decorations being put up and the beginning of festivities to share in the season of giving, and that's why I wanted to tell you about the Black Friday event. I know it seems unusual for a doctor's office to celebrate Black Friday, but let me explain. Since 2020, I left standard insurance-based medicine and decided to go out on my own. As I've just mentioned, I've been employed by a lot of corporations, that I'm trained in family medicine, integrative medicine, and sports medicine. With big hospital, the more training you have, the more value you bring to the organization. But unfortunately, insurance-based medicine usually has limitations to the amount of time a physician can spend with their patients. The average successful doctor sees about 25 to 30 patients in one day. But unfortunately, if you divide a shift into 25 to 30 patients, that translates to about 16 to 19 minutes a patient. And that's the basic suggested formula for how many patients a provider should fit into 1 hour. Even if you don't go to your doctor's office that often, it's usually expected that you're going to have to wait there for an hour, as a doctor is running behind. And I don't blame my colleagues. When you're employed by an organization, you have to make the money, otherwise you're not profitable. My daughter went to a cardiologist at one point in time for symptoms, and honestly, the cardiologist spent about 5 minutes in the room and then left my daughter with his assistant. Now, it's rare, but there are some great physicians that will not leave that visit until the patient understands a diagnosis and has a personalized treatment plan. I too felt very compelled to not finish the visit until I could see that the patient understood the severity of what I diagnosed them with, in addition to a handout on the homework I gave them, which was essentially a template of what they're supposed to do. But it came at the sacrifice of using my personal time, which essentially drove me away from my family life. But that's okay, because it was the right thing to do. What I'm offering for this Thanksgiving weekend 2022, I feel compelled to offer my services to more and essentially be a shepherd to my community, understanding that most people already pay a monthly premium that mirrors a mortgage just to have health care. I honor that, but in my quest to have a healthier community that I can inspire and that also inspires me to stay healthier, we are offering discounted packages to join the practice. What I do is sometimes considered concierge or direct primary care, but I have the intention, the integrity, and the training to back up the better outcomes that I believe I have with my patient panel. Yes, it is exclusive to be with me, but I promise to work as best as I can to make it worth your while, and more importantly, to help you reverse your disease. So please don't wait until you get to Medicare age. I have some patients who are in that bucket only to find out that federal insurance does not pay for wellness. And you've all heard the relationship that medical insurance is sick care. I'm not here to argue against the current algorithm of having medical insurance, but I am here to offer you personalized planning of how to optimize your lifestyle and increase health span and lifespan. I now have a grandson, and I want to be around to see him go to college. That means me, being 60 now, I have to at least be around for 20 to 30 more years without suffering a heart attack, stroke, or dementia. It is my hope that the Black Friday deals that we're offering will help you get to a better state of living. I want to be around for a while, and I want you to be around for a while, and if we're together, our community will get stronger and grow larger and possibly transfer that to our family. This is the time that we have to take to start gaining control of our health, maximizing on wellness, and reversing disease. Please go to herbal411.com for the details on this special, because it won't last forever. Regardless of your direction, I hope that I can be a part of your success. So thanks for watching up until this point in time. Stay healthy and share this with other people who are also looking to control their future. Happy holidays.